Ever wondered why a rolling stone gathers no moss? Could it be the mysterious force known as kinetic energy at work? Kinetic energy, a topic that might seem daunting at first glance, is actually a simple concept when broken down. It's the energy an object possesses because of its motion. Imagine a bowling ball rolling down the lane, a speeding car, or even a child on a swing. They all have kinetic energy. Now you might be thinking, how does an object acquire this kinetic energy? Well, it all starts with a little push or pull, technically known as a force. When a force acts on an object, it sets the object in motion, and voila, the object now has kinetic energy. But here's where it gets interesting. The amount of kinetic energy an object has isn't just dependent on the force applied. Two more factors come into play: the mass of the object and its speed. Think of it this way. A small pebble and a large rock are rolling down a hill at the same speed. Which do you think has more kinetic energy? If you said the large rock, you're on the right track. That's because the kinetic energy of an object increases with its mass. Now consider this. Two identical cars are racing, one at a leisurely pace and the other at top speed. Which one has more kinetic energy? If you guessed the speeding car, you're absolutely correct. The kinetic energy of an object also increases with its speed, and not just linearly but exponentially. This means that if you double the speed, the kinetic energy quadruples. So to sum up, kinetic energy is the energy of motion. It depends on two factors: the mass of an object and its speed. The greater the mass and the faster the speed, the more kinetic energy an object has. It's this energy that keeps a rolling stone moving, a car speeding, and a child swinging. Remember, kinetic energy isn't just a scientific concept, it's a fundamental principle that governs the world around us. From the smallest particles to the largest celestial bodies, everything in the universe that moves does so with kinetic energy. So the next time you see something in motion, take a moment to consider the kinetic energy at work. You'll realize that it's not just a concept confined to textbooks, but a fascinating phenomenon that's integral to our everyday lives.